Alright, so in the midst of this apocalypse of black flies, which really sucks, we're gonna drop this in this microwave and see if anything happens.
Oh, they're freaking everywhere.
Alright, I think they're definitely done now.
Well, I guess we could have just gone popcorn.
Look at the smoke coming out. Alright, opening.
Oh, yeah.
The inside of it is charcoal.
Oh. Put in a big boy, or all three big boys.
I'd just start with one. Are you ready?
Yep.
This is what this is.
That is what that is. Oh, I blew the door right off.
Come on in.
Oh.
That is awesome. Wow.
Oh.
Smells so nasty though. Alright, want to do two at once?
Two at once.
I don't know how this is going to end.
Not well.
I hope I can light them both at the same time.
I hope it blows the door right off.
I doubt it will. There isn't nearly enough power, but... the problem is I have to get two at once. Alright, here we go.
Okay.
Try not to get it in the wind. We got both.
Oh, yeah.
Come on this side and look at this. Look how it just kind of seeps out of there and then... That is crazy. It keeps the bugs away.
Yeah, at least that.
Look inside of there, dude. This is absolute chaos.
Poor Hiroshima.
I don't think you can say that, but the inside of that is waste.
Bugs are all in my throat and crap.
That is crazy.
Well, my car just broke down and my dog died and my mom is suffering from type 3 diabetes and I think my cat has anal cancer too.